More mix up people, run come, more mix up this time around here, trending drama versus T-Gal. Now people, rock and come in, like up the video, very important. Whether you support T-Gal or you support trending drama, like up the video people, share the video to a friend, tell them about the channel, make sure say you hit that subscribe button and click all and leave your honest opinion down below, guys. Because Mr. People, today, festive, what a piece of drama kick up on social media. Oh, T-Girl got so hard. T-Girl look like she not take her pill for about 3 days now. Because she come out and I tell trending drama, say, do not play with me. I am not Dana Gowie. People, every little thing at all, this woman talk about, she called Dana name. Every little thing at all, she called the lady name and the lady do not see her. Now people, trending drama address her and make sure know she's a waste of opportunity on social media. She need to give social media a break, and also she need to go and take care of her sick daughter. You see me? Trending drama did give it to her people, because me not understand all of a sudden T-Girl just come out for trending drama, because T-Girl people is saying that she not stay like trending drama where I look friend from Dana. You see me? She says she's a different person, she stay in her league, and my people, I don't even know what to say about this woman. This woman is so obsessed with Dana in her mouth. Anything at all she do, she have to call Dana name. She have to say something about the lady. You see me? Now people, it's like trending drama piss her off. I said something and in life what she never like. That's why she did go after him, people. And when we look at things, I said to myself, say, no, I wonder if she not trend and she wants some recognition. So she decided to come up with trending drama to make people come buy 2 cake and 2 cupcake. Because that's all she doing, people. It's when things not go right for her, she will come out and start cuss people when not trouble her and thing. You see me? Because this woman is a very mad woman. She very delusional and she don't have nothing name sense. All she do is come on social media for your paycheck. Yeah? That's all she do, come on social media for your paycheck. Because guess what me know? If you are going to call Dana name in every one of your mix up them what you and people have, it'll tell me say you is a wannabe, you want to be like Dana. You see me? You want to be like Dana. You hate Dana so much. And the lady not do nothing at all. You bad mind Dana so much. You want to be Dana so much. You imagine yourself being Dana. Till you even act Dana play. You have to show you how you bad mind the lady. If you want trending drama of something on social media, why call the lady? The lady now have nothing to do with you and trending drama mixed up on social media. So why you call the lady name in your mouth? T-Girl? I'm not done why you're stagnant. I'm not doing why you're stagnant and living in your car. You tell the man say he must not play with you and thing. If you come out and tell the public what doing do to you, come out and tell the public, up to now I don't hear what you said doing do to you. Me not understand you. You's a mad somebody. You want doing mad the same. One cripple and one mad. Only work out that. One cripple and one mad. Why you choose to come to do trending drama? What trending drama do to you? The man have him dirty ways. We know already say him dirty stinking ways and thing. But why no? Why you? Why you have all person have to come and address Dwayne Fletcher? Boy people. Trouble no set like rain. Trouble no set like rain. All that woman do is go around and talk about various person like Chef Noel, she can't cook, disrespect the man, and she can't do nothing at all. She can't even bake a cake much as a pudding. And she have her followers them on her page should I say, and I listen to her and I leave some negative comment and she feel nice. I say you want to live T-Girl? I say you want to live and come out with people and talk about people to make your cupcake sell and cake sell? No. It not gonna work. If you're gonna use trending drama, forget to sell after the cake and thing. That for sure you say you don't have no skill, you don't have no taste. You see me, you don't have no rhythm. You just come on social media for cause trouble. Your mind dirty, your heart not clean. That's why you write Dana name so much in your mouth. You see me? Because you know so Dana name is a big name where you can make money off of, and Chris name. So you work with for them name and thing to sell your products. And at ears you do it. And you do the whole cake war thing and try to fool people. You see me? You know what you do. You know what you're doing, lady, and you can't treat nobody. The whole nation know what go on. People have sense. You see me? So you know come on social media and I talk about say doing gone and then I go sit down pan cement bag and him gone and plank boss girl shan. You see me? You try disrespect the woman and you're not funny. You take this thing for joke thing. Anytime I talk, then I slap in your face with a court case. I want to say, oh, you can do that. As I always say, you better go sell your goat where you have down in Jamaica or a cow. And go sell your house if you have one and your car. Remember, I tell you, judgment are reach people like you with on social media make a fool of yourself. You want to write people back and say what you want to say, and people come for you now. You start ask tushy. See me? Why you never talk about Kingston 13? Why you never come out and address other persons? We talk about you. Why you never do that? No, you have strength for trending drama. Yeah, people. She have strength for trending drama. I saw it go. Them know how to tackle. Them know how to tackle the weak fence them. You see me? But it not necessary to see she come out right now in the paper and I talk about trending drama. And trending drama now travel her. You see me? She just want to hear one thing she run with it. How can you say the man come to Jamaica and then I treat him good and then I very disrespectful, then I shouldn't put the camera upon him? The man states said then I did ask him permission for show him condition on social media. So T-girl, you need to go back to your drawing board. Go back to your drawing board. You don't know what you do. You don't know what you sew to your mouth. You see me? Because guess what I know? If trending drama come out and say that and thing, that quiet you up right away. You don't have nothing to say. So better you shut your big stinking mouth and thing off of social media. Because right about now, this is going too far right about now. You see me? You need to stop calling that name in your mouth. Forget views and say 1 and 2 cake. You need to stop it. The people them know say when you're not trend, you try to come and talk about somebody to get a recognition. The people them know what go on. The people them ain't no idiot. Them know say that you try to do. Them know say you try to pull off a stunt, to try to trick people to get where you want. No. It not gonna work. You can't fool nobody at all. So when you come and you decide say boy doing trending drama that time I know. So you go after him now and then your people them follow up a page. And then when you finish talk, I say, boy, I remember for sell look stars to me or look cash up or Zelle. Boy, if I saw no one make money for social media, only would have stoop and bow down. For vanity. So on stay on social media, on the dirty, on the mind not clean. We need to leave social media alone to these 10 people and stop make a fool on yourself. You see me? Stop make a fool on yourself and stop clowning out on yourself on social media. Because people know what go on. People ain't no idiot. You can't fool nobody at all with your dirty mind and you're running, you're longer running by yourself. You see me? You T-girl. All you do is call progressive people name in your mouth. That's all you're good for do. People with the way either you. And people who elevate themselves. And they may try to size up with it. And if you look upon you, you don't have nothing to show. You don't have nothing to show on social media where you own. That's all you do. Is try and size up with people who don't see you. But a matter of time before Father God deal with you, you get too much chance. And you still act like a big idiot on social media. You still make a fool of yourself. The people don't tell you, me I tell you. You make a clown of yourself for how long you can continue. Guys, best upon yourself here, people. That's about it. When T-girl go on in an argument with trending drama and see what can be the outcome. You see me? Because that's all she want to do. I start war with people. Just to get clout and likes and views. That's all she good for. You see me? That's all she good for people. So guys, best upon yourself, the car now I go and relax guys. And I think if I go back home in a few. So and just stay tuned and I got chat to you very, very shortly guys. Best upon yourself.